Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, an awesome track Civic in the house today. As you can imagine, it's got a Kswap. We've seen it on the video on the YouTube channel before, so we're going to enjoy map tweaking this one today, and I hope you're going to enjoy it as well. But we'll make some noises and we'll see what we can do with her. Isn't she ace? Love it. I wasn't sure whether I showed you the inside last time on the last video, so I thought I'd have a bit of a browse round. What do you reckon, guys? Beautiful. We've actually got one of these sat down the yard, you know. Nice. She is a loud one, so we've actually had the bonnet shut today during tuning. It's very, very loud, but it, as you can see, yes, it's a beautiful K in the bay. It's done quite well so far. I think we'll speak to Richard and see how he feels that it's going, or that that's gone, and see where we're up to. Beautiful. Okay, what a track car this is.
Yeah. It's lovely, lovely.
He was on the last track day you were on, weren't he?
He was at Alton Park, yes. He did the track day on the Friday at Alton Park when I was there, and he travelled back on the Friday, but he said he sort of wished he'd stop for the sprint series on the Saturday, but obviously had to find somewhere to stop over, because obviously he's down south.
Oh, right, okay.
He said like Castle Coombe's like his local track anyway.
Yeah. So you see this rip roaring round then?
In fairness, no.
Oh,
because
okay.
we were sort of in and out at different times.
Busy,
and probably didn't really see it out. But I did have a good chat with him, to be fair.
Yeah, because we've mapped this before, haven't we, this one?
Yes. Previously mapped at 230. He took our advice and changed the induction kit because it was really small, and he had a small bore exhaust on there, so he swapped to a 3-inch custom system.
Oh, 3 inches. That's hard. I'd love that.
Yeah, had a 3-inch system made. Yeah, what a difference. 15 brake horsepower peak. Can't be sniffed at that, can it? You're not considering, you know, you've already got the car, the engine's in the car, it's already doing what it's doing. Make 15 brake horsepower. Obviously, it was a little bit lean in the mid-range. Wanted a bit of fuel everywhere, really. Obviously, did some, well, obviously, you've opened up floats there, for it's going to want more fuel. And we did some cam angle changes to obviously go with the new flow and everything else. But yeah, it's responded really well.
It's nice. There's not much in here. I mean, the cage is in here,
There's not much else in there, is there?
Well, no, but it's
You got one of these, ain't you?
It's a track car, so it's made to be last and light, isn't it?
You got one of these, ain't you?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
I've been out on the track in one of these as a passenger, and I thought it felt very aggressive. But I believe that was a B20.
Yeah, it probably was, yeah, if it's the one you're talking about.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're talking about.
Yeah, it is. Went out with nails, didn't I? It's good. At Mallory Park. Good day, that. Yeah, what a car. Love it. I bet he has loads of fun in it.
Yeah, I'll say so.
That's what it's built for,
yeah,
though,
it's
isn't
a good old car, isn't it?
This is the thing, you see. A lot of us, you know, some of us are building, modifying cars and we're just driving them on the road. But this is like dedicated, I'm going to go and have fun at the track at the weekend. And I bet it's wicked. And it's on the road as well, isn't it, this car?
Well, he's driven here this morning.
This morning. So it's, yeah.
But he drives to his track days. He drove it there and drove it back.
I bet it's just a load of fun to be in. And it looks great as well, don't it?
That's the age I think what I like about, you know, like, say, K20 swaps and stuff, is it's just a K20 engine, you know, it's built to do 200,000 miles, 250,000 miles, whatever. You chuck it in one of these and it's probably doing less work than it was doing in an EP3, and just, you go and kick its head in, have a track day, as long as you don't do something stupid like running it out of oil, they just keep going.
Or money shift it.
Or money shift it, they just keep going, don't they?
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, I like this sort of stuff, because, you know, we love EP3s and FN2s and all that jazz. But sometimes you do get something just a little bit different like this, and it just it's a sorbet to cleanse the palate. It just gives you an idea of there are other things that you can be doing as well, which is like track for. You have a lot of fun on the track, though, don't you?
I do tend to. Well, I have done this year.
Yeah.
Spend some money.
Yeah.
No, I don't have a motor.
Why don't you tell them about your trophy?
I'm not going anywhere. What trophy?
You got a trophy, didn't you?
Oh, I'm not talking about trophies.
Yeah, talk about your trophy. Tell me about your trophy again.
No, I'm not talking about it because you're mocking me.
I'm not mocking you. I really like to hear the effort that you've put in, and yeah, no, it's good.
You asked me to bring them in so you could look at them, so don't make out like I brought them in so you could see.
I wanted to see you polishing your trophy in front of me.
Yeah. No, I've not polished them.
They are good though. Yeah, third place trophy. Third place is all right, mate. Better luck next time.
Third place of the year, so let's get that right.
Okay. You did bring first.
I did go first for last round, yeah.
Yeah.
So I was happy with that.
First place gets the prom queen.
Yeah. It's a quote. Who was it?
It's not for YouTube. Let's not.
Yeah.
Let's not do.
I'm trying to think who said it. Because I can remember it. Yeah.
Right. Let's look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Let's do it. I can't read. Rich. Thanks, mate.
No, I can't reach either.
You got it. No.
Well, say it with me, lads. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. Since we seen the car last, as Richard explained, it's had some modifications. But, yeah, dial that in nicely. I'm finishing on 245 brake horsepower. Tuner's prerogative, I'm giving that. And 205 at the wheels. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. What a beauty. What a rip roar on the track that must be. Yeah. If you need any help with any Kswaps or tuning, give us a shout. Plenty of parts of these as well. Got a website full of these things, so give us a shout. But otherwise, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? Indeed. We will indeed. What a car.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.